In this video, we will give you an overview of L&L's brick repair kits, used to fix damaged fire brick in your kiln. Anyone who has worked with kilns knows how fragile of a material fire brick can be. It is prone to cracking, spalling, and it can suffer from thermal shock. The good news is that while fire brick is fragile, it is also easy to repair and maintain as long as you use the proper materials and techniques. Enclosed in this brick repair kit are all the materials you will need to do a first-class job. The kit includes a half pint of brick dust, a half pint of potassium silicate, also called pot sill, a half pint of brick cement, and one new fire brick. The kit also comes with the required tools for various repairs, including a brush, a plastic spatula, a sponge, and a tongue depressor. Brick dust and pot sill are the two main ingredients used to create brick patch. Brick patch is a versatile material that can repair a variety of holes, chips, and scratches in your fire brick. When applied properly and fully cured, it will have the same look and thermal properties as the original fire brick. Pot sill can also be mixed with water to create brick facing. Brick facing can be used in small amounts to strengthen the brick surface and protect it from future damage. And lastly, brick cement can be used in conjunction with pieces of the new fire brick to replace larger damaged areas. For a more extensive tutorial on how to use each piece of the repair kit for various types of damage, be sure to tune in to our other repair videos at hotkilns.com.